Welcome to these affirmations for your major chakras to support you to live a contented and joyful life. Get comfy sitting upright with your shoulders down and back, and alertness to your body. This will help to minimize distracting thoughts. Closing your eyes and inwardly looking down will also support you to keep random thoughts to a minimum. Breathe a few cycles in your own timing whilst being aware of yourself sitting on the chair or cushion, consciously relaxing on your exhales. This breathing awareness has brought you into the present moment, sitting, breathing, alert and peaceful. I am going to share the affirmations with you now, starting with the root chakra and ending with the crown chakra. Feel free to repeat these in your own mind or out loud whilst breathing in a relaxed and conscious way. There will be space between each affirmation so that you can take your time focusing on the statement, connecting with the words, and have your awareness on the chakra that the affirmations relate to. If any sensations arise in your body, allow them to be present. Just breathe and keep your body as relaxed as possible. You release with your exhales, and if it feels good, you can blow out through pursed lips. Let's begin with the root chakra. Pop your attention there. I am grounded to the earth. It is safe for me to let go of fear. I can trust that I am supported. Like a tree, I am stable on the earth. All my needs are met. Attention on your sacral chakra. My life is joyous. I am passionate and inspired. I am filled with vitality. I express my version of creativity. I am a sensual being. Attention on your solar plexus chakra. I allow myself to play like a child. My self-worth is improving every day. Starting today, I no longer shrink to fit the expectations of others. I am building confidence by stretching myself beyond my comfort zone. I am more powerful than I realize. I am realizing this power now. Attention on your heart chakra. I am doing my best to be authentic at all times. I am ready and willing to release wounds from my heart. When I am compassionate towards myself, I am compassionate to others. Love flows freely through my heart chakra. I understand that everyone is doing the best they can with the tools they have, including me. Attention on your throat chakra. I allow myself to sing, tone and hum for the health of my throat chakra. I do my best to lovingly communicate my truth. It is safe for me to say no. When I speak, I am heard. My speech is empowering. attention on your third eye chakra. I look inward and outward for guidance. I honour and trust my intuition. I am a highly visual person. I have the ability to see ahead for my highest good. I am discerning with all my decisions. Attention on your crown chakra. I release control in my life and trust the higher power. I am always in the right place at the right time. I have unlimited possibilities available to me. I know that we are all connected in love. I accept divine energy to flow through my crown chakra. Now come back to noticing your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Great effort today. You can open your eyes now, ready to move on with your day. But if you would like to continue meditating, there is a link on your screen to our root chakra meditation. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.